Good morning, this is Burnweight, and welcome back to another day and another daily challenge in Offworld Trading Company. And today, due to a random roll of the dice, we will be playing
High levels of water found.
as Robotic.
Medium levels of aluminum found.
And hopefully we find a nice big fat iron deposit. Maybe this is iron. Ooh, that's good.
High levels of iron found.
How much we get? 110.
Acceptable location has been identified.
Alright.
Run colonization build
Robotic
script.
colony
Start
founded.
manufacturing
Scientific colony founded.
Ooh, wow, that's close by.
Colony found.
Another steel.
Carbon found.
High levels of
And
carbon found.
there's 2 aluminum. There's plenty of water. Plenty of everything so far. No
Medium
silicone.
levels of
I don't
silicon
see.
found.
A few geothermal vents. That might be nice to get. So I'm definitely going to have to buy some iron in a moment. I'm running out pretty fast with 2 steel mills and no income,
High levels of silicon
but
found.
that was expected. I could get this claim, but that's in like 70 seconds. It's ridiculously far away. So, and then I want to start building electronics. I could go for a very early geothermal, which would be nice. It'd beat the mid-game power spike. And with another robotics, power might be high.
full hardware upgrade complete.
Upgrade, excellent. Alright, so we're gonna take iron. Where's the 2? Is there 2? Yeah, I'll never need more than 2.
Scientific colony expanded.
So I'll get 1 more of those. Have anything else to sell?
Land is available.
And I am poor.
Bidding will begin now.
6,000.
So that, and I do want that geothermal vent.
8.
My steel production will be pretty fast once I have the iron coming in, and the aluminum will come in easily.
10,000.
Everyone's bidding on
12.
geothermal. That is
14.
weird looking in the dry ice. It's got a weird tile
16.
color.
1,000.
See, there, it looks normal. But there's so many of them, there's no reason to bid on a plot. There's a ton of silicone over here.
So,
That's nice. Alright. So I've got iron. It's about to start coming in. I have aluminum. My poor steel plants really want that iron. Let's see if I can get a little bit going. There we go. Steel is more expensive than iron, so I can just keep selling it and buying more and more and more. For a while. Steel does not usually get less expensive than iron.
The black market is
What has happened? 4,500 for a claim. That would be nice. See, the prices are coming closer as I keep doing that. And they're even. It's not worth it anymore. But I have iron coming in. Get my geothermal. Electricity is already getting expensive. May want to goon squat it, but I'll probably save my money. 2,000 isn't bad.
Expanded.
Debt's still low. Manageably low. Alright. Yay, iron! This is going to hold off my upgrade for a little bit, but it really should help keep my debt low and long-term betterness. Oh, come on! 80 seconds, 90 seconds. Great. How much do I need for this? Just 40 aluminum? Boom. Alright, now I can focus on upgrading. I don't have any iron income, but at least I got a bunch. In the moments before they were disabled. I probably want to goon squad that. I need 2,000. I'll upgrade
Expansive
first.
colony
Get to level 3
expanded.
early. So let's see. My debt, I need electronics factories. So next turn I'll grab silicone. I'll grab carbon. There's a 3 and a 2. Or another 3. Someone grabs that. I don't think I'll ever need both of those. That'll just be way too much. So I'll get a carbon, silicone, do an electronics factory. My aluminum will still be positive, but I may need another aluminum income. And by May, I would say definitely.
4,
Or no. Yes.
5,
Claim auction. Let's see.
7,
I'll try to stay below 20,000.
1,000, 10,000,
Really don't want my debt to get out of control. They say don't be afraid of the debt. But then the next thing you know, your stock price is worth $4, and then
1,000,
the game's over.
16,000.
But that's not bad for a claim. I mean, I know it's 6,000 here, but this goes into debt, so it allows me to use it immediately. And what was I going to do with it? The silicone's far away, so I think I'll start on that. And then I'll grab the carbon, and then maybe I'll make a hack array. These get disabled again? No, they're just still disabled. What a pain. Positive electricity. How's the price? Holding. Steady. Debt dropping even without the electronics. And I'm building steel. Here comes the iron. And was it 120? No, 160, 160. Alright. Debt is still dropping. Not me! Ah, one of my iron. What a pain. At least it was just one of them. Price of electricity is going down, but it's still helping me out. It might go up again. Need 2,000. Let's see. This is taking me a while. Still, everyone's still at level 3 though. And I like the geothermal. I think that's definitely was a good move. Net revenue, 172. Dynamite! Why? It's gonna take forever. At least I got a shipment. It's gonna take forever for the repair robot to get over there. Oh my goodness. Those things are slow. Let's go steel. I was targeted by it.
Let this be a lesson to you.
It's like it was a bad thing. You were targeted by a boost in your production.
Full hardware upgrade complete.
Alright. So we want that carbon. Which is there still. Nice. Electronics factory. I have to sell something. Build steel. Build steel. Quickly.
Robotic
Hooray.
colony expanded.
Should I wait until I get
Scientific colony expanded.
1,000,
claim auction?
7,
Claim is available for auction.
10,
I'll stay below 20,000.
14,000, 16,000, 20,000,
Alright, well. Okay, I'm done.
20,
I'm done.
4,000,
My stock price isn't doing too bad. I'm second there. No one's bought any stock yet. Electricity's going down, so maybe that'll be it for the rest of the game. Low price. My geothermal vent carried me through the spike. The spike of electricity price. Iron's going up. That's cool. I have a bunch, so I can at least sell some and build another electricity factory. Alright. Electronics factory. I keep saying electricity factory. I don't know what's wrong with me. So, where's water? There's a 3. Any 3s closer? Or any other 3s at all? My silicone is repaired. So I could get that water, build electrolysis, and oh, did someone just build on it? I believe so. Yes. So much for that plan. So no glass, no electrolysis for me. Let's do this one. Don't know if it'll be worth it though. Build a hacker array and just short electronics the whole game. Short, constantly shorting. And to upgrade, where's my aluminum factory? Or my aluminum mine? right there. For upgrades, I'm gonna, and because I want to build more electronics factories, I'm definitely gonna build another one of those to get to level 4. Slowly toiling. Should I go with a 3rd steel? 3rd steel, perhaps. To level 5, then I could sell it and put the hacker array there. Short of electricity. Wow, that was cheap. So I could go with a 3rd steel and then sell it and build a hacker array once I hit level 5. Someone built a dry ice condenser. So let's see. Produces oxygen and carbon. Well, I could do that to build the glass.
Expansive colony expanded.
Need some money.
6,000.
Need more claims, obviously. Another geothermal, because there's 1,000 of them, so people
Begin at
bid on the plots.
8,000. 10.
This might not be a bad idea.
14,000. 16.
Build glass, also.
18,000. 20,000.
I definitely would not need to build another carbon for all my electronics factories. And I do need the goon squad. I think I'll build one of these, because why not? I can build it right next to the electronics. That'd be good. And I could build 3 glass factories off of it and all the positive silicone flow. That'd be good. Still have negative electronics. I guess they're just not coming in fast enough. Oh, I can upgrade.
Full hardware upgrade complete.
Let's pay attention. I have a lot of iron. 3,000 for that goon squad. I will get it. There goes my geothermal, which was a pain. Price of electricity is back up. That's going to hit me in the debt for a while. I want another electronics factory. I do want this hacker array. Or do I want to get this steel mill? Upgrade, delete steel mill, build hacker array. I'll do that. Some good electronics coming in. Has anyone else built a pleasure dome? Maybe I'll build one of those.
Stock is being bought.
Someone's buying my stock. No, I have too much debt already. So I do want to build the glass factory. I'll stick them over here. And another electronics with the bonus. There. Man, power. Come on. Alright, building lots of
The
steel.
black market is online.
That's good. I was gonna make more aluminum, because especially when this turns on, I'm not gonna have any aluminum income. But aluminum is pretty cheap at the moment. My steel is building quickly, so at least I'll probably need... built the first glass furnace, I'll probably need to buy quite a bit of aluminum. Because it's gonna stop coming in. But steel is coming in fast. I still have 12,000. Someone's
Your
buying my stock.
is being bought.
Misbalanced. Not a lot of stock is bought already, but I definitely need to get in the game of buying some stock. I definitely want to upgrade first too, which may be terrible. So Miss Sabotage
Your stock is being bought.
and Mr. Launch both buying significant quantities of stock. Another geothermal plot. It's ridiculous.
land is available for auction.
1,000.
Bidding will begin at
Can bulldoze one of these, because I don't need it with the steel. What should I put there? Chems? I don't have fuel. I do have carbon.
1,000.
And there's no more water, really. Don't really want to do that. I won't get an adjacency bonus. I could have put the glass furnace here, and then that would have been some good planning.
sold.
But I didn't do it. I'll think on that.
Your stock
Definitely
is being bought.
Bulldoze one of those. Build something. Water's pretty cheap, so I could build an electrolysis factory. Although it's always danger of that becoming expensive. Let's see, to upgrade, still 25,000. And I'll upgrade.
Directives received and confirmed. Replicators online.
All right.
Upgrade in progress.
Let's
Stand
bulldoze
by.
you. Build this. Bulldoze you. Build that. And I still have 5 claims.
Your stock is being bought.
Things are saying they need carbon. Oh, this only
Your
works
stock is being bought.
during the day. But this is coming in too. Why do they say they need so much carbon? I'm gonna build this aluminum. Where's my other one? Right there. That should have me set up for the game. Glass furnace. Buy some water. Or build a... Should I get chems? I do have a lot of carbon. I don't have a lot of carbon. I have a little bit of carbon. Should I or should I not?
Your stock is being
I
bought.
do that. Because I do have the fuel production. So I will do that. And I will... I'm not sure. My stock is getting bought like crazy. Price of water went up a whole bunch, of course. Let's hack array. Let's short electronics forever. I just don't have to worry about it for a while. Iron is crazy. I got EMP'd. My aluminum, just one. I guess they were going after this other person. So this carbon is coming in. I'm making fuel. This needs fuel. Electricity is still staying pretty low.
8,000. 10.
I really need to start buying
Up for
stock.
auction. Bidding will begin
Teleportation!
12,000.
Unnecessary.
16,000. 20,000.
2 claims. I'm gonna build one more.
4,000. 20.
Electronics factory.
8,000.
And I should build one more glass factory to the adjacency bonus.
6,000.
Glass is expensive.
Sold.
Chems are expensive. And then I can just buy and sell stuff a little bit. I have so much iron. I don't know. I could bulldoze another steel and this and build another electrolysis here. But water is just too expensive to support that habit. It got really expensive. It was nothing. I should have bought a bunch then. Oh well. Can't see the future yet. I'm working on that. So, who has most of my stock? Mr. Launch. I'll buy some of theirs.
Our hackers have compromised the trading servers.
Excellent.
Price manipulation begins shortly.
Power. Oh, that's wonderful. Don't really have to worry about my debt, I don't think. I'll just leave that alone. Probably for the rest of the game. The price of water is ridiculous. Although there's not a lot of water on this
Your stock
map.
is being bought.
But I used to get slant drilling. That comes up for auction. Perhaps. Please don't buy my stock, Mr. Launch. I do not like it. How much does everyone cost? In the 400s, he's 500. I'm 465. What is my stock? Still the lowest. I guess that debt is hurting me a
Your
little bit.
stock is being bought.
I'll sell 100 of that.
Your stock is being bought.
All bought up. I don't like that. Should I pay some debt? A little bit. Sell some aluminum. I want my glass shipments to come in.
Our hackers have compromised the trading
Expansive
servers.
colony
Price
expanded.
manipulation begins
Dynamite.
shortly.
No, thank you. At least it wasn't my silico. The game would be over before the
We
repair
caught
bot
a
got
dirty
over
rat
there.
trying to break our stuff.
So let's see. Sell some aluminum because it doesn't hurt. Electronics are being shorted. 10,000 for that.
9,000.
Claim auction.
A new claim is
Thousand.
available
No,
for
my
auction.
debt.
Bidding will begin
Ridiculous.
at
Why is that such a scary sound?
1,000. 16,000. 18,000.
No, thank you.
20,000. 24,000.
These are about to ship.
8,000.
I have silicone. I don't know why my
sold.
glass factories are not getting their shipments. You can go back and you can go back. I'm just gonna cost to short this 10,000. I'll do it again. It's making me money. Let's buy more stock. Buy everyone's stock. 400 for them. 500. Man. Electricity prices still
Let
pretty
this be
low,
a
which
lesson
is
to you
nice.
all. Screw with us.
This is
And we
about to
screw
get
with you.
shorted. I'll sell my glass. Everything is bought up. So I want to go for Mr. Launch first. They seem the most dangerous. 50%. They have a lot of my stock. I do not like that number.
Our hackers have
The
compromised the
black
trading
market is
servers.
online.
Price
It's
manipulation
not moving up that
begins shortly.
Expanded.
fast, so I doubt that they will.
Expansive colony
Ugh.
expanded.
It is moving pretty fast. Oh! I sold it too soon. It's not paying attention. Carbon shortage. I have to buy some, unfortunately. Keep my electronics going. So let's see. I can sell some aluminum. Guess I shouldn't have built that other one. Come on, Mr. Launch. 466. So far, it's a long ways away. He's got so much of my stock. Their stock price is dropping. Could pay debt. If they get too close, I might start paying off some debt. Needs fuel. Aren't I producing fuel? No, because I don't have water, because it's too expensive. This is all a waste. Water was like $25, and I built that, and it goes boom!
Our hackers have
Now worth
compromised the trading
$1
servers.
bazillion.
Price manipulation begins shortly.
Surplus is still cheap. Maybe I'll buy a little bit of water and turn a profit from that. Price manipulation, excellent. You will all send your stuff back. And I will sell a bunch of electronics.
Scientific
Need
colony expanded.
500,000. What should I get? Come on. Shortage. It's over. About 200,000 short. No, only 130.
Our hackers have compromised the trading servers.
100.
Price manipulation begins shortly.
Alright, water. Go down. Nice. Buy a little bit. Buy a little bit more. Buy a little bit more. Nice and cheap. That's what I'm talking about. Mr. Launch is eyeing me still. And I'm eyeing Mr. Launch. 58%. I need 520. They don't need as much because they bought so much of my stock. They're getting close though. They can make a big sale. Let's see what he's got. 2 of these working. This is expensive. Come on, give me electronic shipment. Buy them. Woohoo! And look at all these. Off-world shipment. Is there anything worth it? Not at the moment. Stuff's expensive. Hack array, engineering. Let's upgrade. I'm making chems, so why not? Let's surplus water again. Buy more. See, those chems are wonderful. They help so much. Wow. My carbon shortage. I don't have any more claims, but what can I do? What is he working on? Got so much aluminum coming in. That's ridiculous. What was he doing?
Expanded.
I have a lot of chems. Very negative water, though. I'm not going to try to retool his production or anything. Or wait.
Our hackers have compromised the
No, that's not
trading
mine, is it?
servers.
No,
Price
that's
manipulation
misbalanced.
begins shortly.
So I surplused water again. Let's see. Nothing really there. Sell that, sell that. Look at all those chems. That's a lot of chems coming in. That's a lot of money. So it looks like this is pretty much it. Wasn't too bad. It was a bit of a precarious position there for a moment. 1,000 aluminum. That's ridiculous. Why can't I send that off-world? Oh, I can. I have 2 of those. So why not? I can just sell everything forever. So I have so much of it. I'll buy them. No claims. Massive power consumption, but cheap. Doesn't really matter now. I own almost all of my own stock. There are only 287. Probably just have to sell some stuff and it'll be over. Very positive oxygen flow. Yep, that's it. Oh no. Quit being tricky. Alright, you win! Hooray! It's a very quiet HQ. No factory sounds. Cool little geothermal plant there. So I was kind of precarious here. Mr. Launch was pulling away. I think if they had saved up, they might have been able to buy me out at some point, but I was able to jump ahead. Not too bad. I got a good big iron deposit in the beginning, which helped me, but my debt did get a little crazy, even with the geothermal. A lot of my I was too late into the stock buying part of the game. I was focusing much too much on just finishing out my base building and not buying stock at the same time, so it slowed me down a little bit, but it was alright. Another fun day. Fun, insane resource graph. What was the most? Steel was still being made at the end. Lots of chems. No patents. That's hilarious. Wait, let's see, shortages and surpluses. 4 electronic shortages. All my fault. But anyway, that was cool. That was a cool daily challenge. It took a little longer than most. Had kind of a good start. And I really just, my debt got high and I was just too late into the stock buying game. That was really my biggest problem, I think. But that's that, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.